Hi Freedom, I just wanted to give you a quick review of what you did with this first assignment. Congratulations on completing it. This is a great refresher course on the use of selection tools, particularly if you're familiar with Photoshop. But if you're just starting out, I'll just tell you that selection tools are very important in Photoshop because a lot of the image editing, retouching, as well as manipulation will require that you make selections. We will revisit making selections in week 3 as we learn how to create the layer masks. So knowing how to do these types of selections is going to be crucial to helping you with that portion of your assignments. One of the simplest selection tools in Photoshop is the Magic Wand tool because it makes a selection of pixels based on colors. If you watched the lynda.com video, you found that you can also add and delete areas from a selection by using modifier keys as you work. Shift lets you add areas to your selection, and the Opt or Alt key will help you remove areas within your selection. So watch the videos and the learning activities to see how to work with these tools. And just remember to keep experimenting with them and practice because the various selection tools is the best way to understand how they work in Photoshop. And when using a selection tool, when you're using a selection tool, new options that can affect the efficiency of the tools are displayed in the options menu bar so that you can further customize the tool for your use. So let me get a closer look here at what you're doing and just review it quickly. First of all, I'll have to tell you that it's incomplete, and incomplete for two reasons. One, you're to add the screws to all 4 corners of this as the book. Always follow the instructions within the book of what it's doing. Don't just look at the videos. I do see you're working in layers, and that's good. We will work more in layers next week. It was not required for this, but that's a good start, so you understand that at least. Looks to me like you distorted this shell whenever you added it in here, and you don't want to do that. You don't have as clean of an edge on it as you probably should have. So I know that lasso tool gives students a headache sometimes, so I would really encourage you to review again the video, the lynda.com video in the learning activities. It really kind of highlights using this lasso tool. And then lastly, just so that you know, each week for this task, for the skill building exercises, it says that once you've finished the lesson, make the following additional changes to the document. Please make sure that you review this and make these types of changes. This week you're to add another shell to your design, or you could pick an object as long as you removed the background from it as you did the shells. And then you were to add at least another screw and rotate it. So that would have meant 5 screws in here somewhere within the design. So please review the requirements again, go back through this, and make the additional changes before you post this for the final grade.